Hey, check this out. This is how much money I made last year. If you guys have not heard of me, my name's Cam, and to make a very long story short, I teach people how to make money online. Whether it's online marketing, whether it's drop shipping, whether it's going to garage sales, picking up things that people think are trash and selling them back online for way more than you bought them for. I pretty much teach as much as I know about how to transform your life by making money online. If you guys are really, really serious about transforming your life, about actually doing something, about making some real money, potentially a full-time income with this whole online marketing thing, then I need you guys to check out my channel. My only goal is to give you guys course level content, so the same thing that people pay thousands of dollars for absolutely free. I don't want you to sign up for anything. I don't want you to buy anything from me. The only thing I want you to do is check out a few of my videos, and I promise you guys will not regret it. They're absolutely valuable. So if you haven't already, go ahead, click the button below and check out my channel.